Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I'm Ina. So today I'm going to share with you what I did to save 15K just earning $8 an hour. A little technique that I have used personally, and sometimes I look back and I'm thinking to use it again because I'm like, wow, how did I do that? And it's something that could be very useful to you. So keep on watching. So let's go back to when actually minimum wage was $8 an hour. I was just working at a Subway and I have saved over 15K for a new car. I really wanted a new car, so I needed like a big down payment on it and everything. So I have saved 15K. And in order to do that, back in the day when I was working, every time I got a paycheck, I would go and straight, like on a payday, go straight to the bank. And when I went there, I would deposit the check and immediately take out cash just for spending whatever I wanted. So if my check, let's say it was back in the day, I don't know, 450, yeah, 450, 500, I would take like, let's say $100 or $200 for my spending, and the rest will go into the account just for saving. So I wasn't touching it. I didn't have that debit card to use to actually spend that money. So that was like a really useful thing for me, where when you receive money, at least like nowadays, if you look at it, you can go and like a direct deposit. But one of the tips for direct deposit would be direct deposit to a bank not close to you, or not if like you don't have a debit card for it, so you're not gonna just transfer money, I mean, or just use it or swipe it. So the best way is automatically take out that money section, whatever you want to save, and take out the difference and maybe deposit it into a different debit card or whichever. But I think this is by far the best tip I could say. That I have saved that 15K, I think over more or less like 2 years, but I mean, it was only $8 an hour, so I was saving very little, I mean, a lot compared to minimum wage. So I think that's a definite, the best way to go about it is to automatically deposit what you want to save first, and then take it out, take out the cash or transfer the spending amount you're willing to spend. So this way I was barely ever going into my saving account, and I was able to save that money. So it's really, really that simple, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now you can click the subscribe button and like it, because you actually watched the video till the very end. Also, if you guys are interested, I have also saved money for a down payment for a house. And if you guys are interested, let me know down below and I'll make a video of how I saved a little way more than just 15K for a car to do a down payment on the house. So comment below, subscribe so you don't miss that video if it will come out.